Okay, bro. We're gonna tear this motor down real quick. Pull the crank out, wrap it up, and then we'll take the block off so I can turn it into a coffee table.
Are you getting rid of that other coffee table in there?
Probably. Why, you want that coffee table?
No. Just asking. But then you'd have two coffee tables.
We just got these bolts right here. And these. Take off, and then the rear main. And that's it. And the crank pops off. At least that cap pops off. There it goes. Come on. Keep on. Should be.
I got my hand.
Go ahead. One light one. Keep on. That's it. What's going on, guys? It's the morning, a little chilly outside, but after we got this pressure washed, everything's looking pretty good. It's looking nice and clean. So all we have to do now is take off this varnish right here, and I've already taken off some, and it's relatively easy. You just need some sort of liquid, maybe even acetone would be good. That'll do a little bit of the work, and then a Scotch-Brite just to rub it off. Now I'll just be doing the ends and the actual mating surface just to make sure it looks clean and presentable. I won't actually be doing the crankcase where it's all covered in it. Let's knock it out. Now I'm just gonna try to use some paint thinner because I know this will work. It'll be like a little bit of chemical help, but I know it won't damage the metal. And it's what I had on hand. Okay, so we don't have too much on this side, so we'll just make this one quick. Okay, get it cleaned off. Okay, so as you can see, that's really quick. And now we'll do the actual mating surface. Okay, just a Clorox wipe. Take off this paint thinner and any gunk left on there. What a difference that made. Look at that, nice and shiny. Now obviously if I wanted it perfect, I'd probably just go get it hot tanked, you know, but this is just a fun little project, so I don't care too much. So the last thing I have is this 20-inch glass round tabletop. And I bought this off eBay for like 30 bucks. And all it'll do is sit right on top of here and be my end table. Now a lot of people like to put the rectangular glass up here and make a coffee table, but we're gonna do something a little different today. We're gonna go for that end table. It'll look something like that. Very cool. Now I will need to get some sort of spacer to put between these, but it will look like that, which I think is pretty damn cool. So I'll get it set up and then we'll have a look at it when it's done. So basically this is where we're at. Now there's a lot of possibilities. I'm thinking about putting LEDs in the cooling channels. Maybe blue ones might look cool. Maybe it looks tacky. I don't know. I just got to try it. But you know, this is a M54 B30 block with just a basic eBay piece of 20-inch diameter glass, and it cleaned up pretty nicely. The aluminum is really easy to clean. If you're going to try a project like this, I absolutely recommend just using a power washer to get most of it done. I think it looks freaking awesome. And the final touch, you know, to make sure that your girlfriend is happy with it, you got to put some flowers on it and then, you know, put a couple of bottles of wine. Boom. Right in here. And she'll be sold. You don't have to convince her at all, you know. The flowers, wine, you get your car parts in the living room. So I hope that was a quick little, not really how-to, but just watching how I actually did make this table that I've been wanting to make for a little while out of an engine block for my living room. Simple, cool, fun project that if you ever have the chance, you just ever have a spare block, you should definitely try it. Either this or a coffee table, and if you've already done it, let me know. I do want to see them. I think they are, like, they're a little cliche, but at the same time, they're really cool. I don't know anybody else with one personally. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Actually, you know what? We should get Abby's reaction when she sees it. We'll wait.
Oh my god, babe. It looks so good. So I have like a little beveled edge. Ooh, I like that. Hold on, I gotta sit. Ugh. Let me see. Looks so good. Did you put the little sticky things on there?
Sure.
With these little plastic guys?
They're there.
Did they come with the glass?
No.
Oh, okay. So you did put them on there.
Yes.
Will they move if I touch it?
No, go ahead.
Okay, good.
Cool, right?
Yeah, it looks great, honey.
The wine bottles fit perfectly.
Yeah, they do. Did you already know that? They would fit?
Of course.
Okay. I do really love it. It looks so good. It really completes the space. My little balloon looks good.
The space.
For my kids.
So you like it?
Yeah.
It has
so
the Abby
good.
seal of approval.
Yes. It really ties in our like industrial, homey look.
Whatever that means.
You know what it means.
So she likes it. That's all that mattered. You know. I guess
Yeah.
it passes. We can keep it. High
I
five.
look terrible in your footage.
You're silly. Come here.
Oh, I look.
You're dumb. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.